Hello? I want to tell you something important. Maybe this has happened to you before. You are trying to speak English. You know the words. You understand English when you read or listen. But when you open your mouth to speak, you stop. Your mind goes blank. You feel stuck. You don't know why this happens. You feel nervous. You feel shy. You feel like something is wrong with you. But let me tell you something. You are not alone. Many people feel the same. Many English learners get stuck when they try to speak. But why does this happen? Let's talk about it like a story. When I first started learning English, I was very excited. I learned many words. I read books, I watched videos, I even listened to English songs. I felt proud. But when someone asked me, "How are you?" I could not speak. I looked like a fish with my mouth open, but no words came out. It was funny later, but at that moment, I felt sad. So, why do we get stuck? One big reason is fear. We are afraid to make mistakes. We think, what if I say the wrong word? What if they laugh at me? What if I sound stupid? These thoughts stop us. Our brain wants to be perfect. But learning a language is not about being perfect. It's about trying. It's about making mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Another reason is this. We know the words, but we don't practice speaking. We listen, we read, but we don't speak out loud. Speaking is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it gets weak. If you don't practice speaking, your mouth does not know how to say the words. Your brain knows the word apple, but your tongue forgets how to say it. Imagine this. You learn to cook by watching cooking shows. You know all the recipes. But one day, someone gives you a spoon and says, "Now cook." You freeze. Because watching is different from doing. Speaking is the same. You have to practice with your mouth, not just with your eyes or ears. Also, sometimes we think in our own language. When we want to say something in English, we first think in our language, then try to change it to English. This takes time. We get stuck because our brain is too busy translating. It's like using Google Translate inside your head all the time. And Google Translate inside your brain? It's slow. Let's look at one example. You want to say, "I went to the market yesterday." But you think in your language first, "Kal main bazaar gaya tha." Now your brain has to change every word into English. While you are translating, the person in front of you is waiting. You feel pressure. You feel nervous. You get stuck. So what can you do? How can you stop getting stuck? First, speak every day. Speak out loud. Even if no one is there, talk to yourself. Say things like, "I am brushing my teeth. Now I am making tea. It is a sunny day." Use small sentences. Say them again and again. This helps your tongue and your brain work together. Second, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are your best teacher. Speak even if it's not perfect. Say, "I go shop yesterday." Yes, it's not correct, but you tried, and someone can help you say it better. "I went to the shop yesterday." Next time, you will remember it. Step by step, you improve. Third, think in English. This is hard in the beginning, but it helps so much. Look around you and say the names of things in English. Chair, table, window, sky. Start with words, then say small sentences. "I like this chair." "The sky is blue." Don't worry if you don't know all the words. Use what you know. Fourth, use your voice. Read out loud. Read stories, read news, read your messages. When you read out loud, you learn how to say words. You learn the rhythm of English. You also feel more confident. Fifth, repeat. If you hear a sentence you like, say it again, and again, and again. Repeating helps your brain remember. I used to say one sentence 10 times until it felt easy. How are you? How are you? How are you? Then one day, it just came out without thinking. Sixth, speak with others. Find a friend who is also learning English. Talk with them. You both will make mistakes, but you both will learn together. If you don't have a friend, talk online. Many people want to practice. You can join language groups or even use apps to find speaking partners. Seventh, don't be shy. English is just a tool, like a spoon or a phone. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be clear. Even native speakers make mistakes. They say, or, you know, or forget words. It's normal. You are learning. You are growing. Let me share a funny story. One day I wanted to say, I am full after eating. But I said, I'm pregnant. My friend laughed and said, Really? I felt so embarrassed. But now I laugh too. I learned from that mistake, and I never said it wrong again. That is the magic of learning. Learning to speak English is like learning to ride a bicycle. At first you fall, you wobble, you get scared, but you keep going. One day you ride smoothly, and you feel proud. So if you get stuck, remember this. You are not alone. Everyone feels stuck sometimes. Take a deep breath, smile, and say the words. One word, then two, then a sentence. You can do it. Talk to yourself in the mirror, talk to your pet, talk to your plants. They will not judge you, but you will get better. Speak every day. Even 5 minutes is good. The more you speak, the less you will get stuck. And remember, fluency is not speaking fast. Fluency means speaking clearly. Fluency means being able to say what you want, even in simple words. So be kind to yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed. You are on your journey. Keep going. The next time you get stuck, smile and try again. Say, it's okay, I am learning. And you will see, slowly, your words will come. You are learning. You are growing. You are becoming a fluent speaker, one step at a time. Thank you for listening. Keep speaking, keep trying, and enjoy the journey of learning English. You can do it. And I believe in you.